Traydstream is basically a company which is looking at automating the trade finance sector. It's automating trade globally across all banks and corporates. It's an area which today sort of has about 4.5, 5 million people working in. It takes days and days and weeks for transactions to be processed. All of that is going to be done in a matter of minutes.
We've sat with technology teams, banking teams, technology experts, banking experts, all sat together and discussing every single trade rule. There are now over 180,000 algorithms covering every trade rule for UCP and ISBP rules on the platform today.
So the way it works is you take a piece of paper, any application, any transaction that you have. A simple scanner is what you need, 300 dpi. You scan your piece of paper in it, and after that the platform takes over.
So if you are importing some goods, you have to check as a bank, where's the goods coming from? Who's the beneficiary of the goods? Are the goods what they call dual use goods? So nitrogen, it's used for farming, but it's also used for explosives. You have to know what level of nitrogen they are, where it's going to, and who the beneficiary is. That today is all done manually. You have a guy who sits there checking every single bit of that process. We've automated that process. So the moment the platform understands what the document is, it checks to see, is it the correct nitrogen? Who's the beneficiary? Is it going to a terrorist organization? Is it going to a port that should be sanctioned? It does all those checks. We've currently invested just under $2 million has gone into the platform from our own money through friends and family. We want to prove the platform. We want to show people that this works before we start asking for investment money.
So now we've systematically sort of taken up 2 or 3 pilots, which made sense. So we've taken one bank, we've taken one emerging market or institution, we've taken one corporate, so that we can show that the product works across sectors, across institutions, etc. Once that's been done, then around the mid of 2018, we're going to go en masse.